Put your hands down.
Cammy hungry.
Okay, here.
Messy baby.
Put your head back. Get your hands out of your mouth. Look.
Cammy, look over here.
Spit all over her.
That's okay. Here, look. It's on the spoon. Just suck it off.
She said, bitch, quit teasing me. Cammy, look over here. Yummy, yummy.
And she puts her hand in her mouth.
Yummy, yummy.
Look. Here. Shh. Get your hand out. Oh. Do you want me to just put the rest in your bottle? Look. You gotta stay still a little bit. You can't lunge. Give me the spoon.